वेलकम टू स्टडी विथ YP2। स्टडी विथ YP2 में आपका स्वागत है। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नॉर्मल फॉर्म, व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग नॉर्मल फॉर्म इन DVMS। We are going today see. So let's start the video. Normal form normalization in DV. What is normalization in DVMS? Normalization is a systematic approach to organize data within a database to reduce redundancy, eliminate undesirable characteristics such as insertion, update, and deletion anomalies. The process involves breaking down large tables into smaller, well-structured ones and defining relationship between them. This has not only reduced the chances of storing the duplicate data, but also improved the overall efficiency of the database. तो नॉर्मलाइजेशन एक सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच है जो डाटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करता है डाटाबेस में टू रिड्यूस द रिडंडेंसी मीन्स डुप्लीकेसी जो हमारे डाटाबेस में डेटा को लेकर आता है उसे रिड्यूस करता है और सिस्टमेटिक वे में डाटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करता है so that we can able to fetch the data easily and there is no confusion to fetch the data. And it also breaking down the large table into a small table and well structured one. So mainly normalization is used to organize the data in very well and organized way. Reduce the duplicacy so that we are able to fetch the data easily. Now, why we are using the normalization? What are the most important points used to in normalization? So let's see. First is reduce the data redundancy, which means duplicate data is stored efficiently, saving disk space and reducing inconsistency. Improves data integrity, ensure data accuracy and consistency of data by organizing in its structured manner. Simplifies the data design by following a clear structured database design become easier to maintain and update. Now the fourth one is optimize the performance, reduce the chance of anomalies and increase the efficiency of data operation. So this is the what normalization means. So you can also prefer this PPT for your notes and you can also use these notes in examination point of view and you can remember this. It will easy to clarify what I have taught. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys. Keep